Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, first idea is Easter bunny theme decoration. So friends, the Easter bunny is a symbol of joy. It brings smile and happiness. Children love Easter because of cute bunnies and eggs. It is a day full of fun and excitement. Easter eggs are colorful and beautiful. They show new life and hope. People decorate eggs in bright color. And dear friend, and dear viewers, next video is viewers. Easter eggs are colorful and beautiful. They show new life and hope. People decorate eggs in red color. It is fun and creative activity for everyone. Easter is not just a day. It is a feeling of hope and love. It reminds us to stay positive and to be kind to others. A fresh start, a new beginning. And viewers, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.